friends, Angela Smith here. I'm a financial coach, accountant, and data analyst, but more than that, I'm a wife, a mom, and someone just like you that's had to figure out the complicated world of money, one decision at a time. Today, we're talking about a topic that doesn't get enough attention: your health insurance. Now, before you click away, hear me out, because this one decision could be costing you thousands of dollars every single year. We'll cover what your plan really covers, how to compare options, and how to make a confident choice. Let's dive in. Why this matters. Health insurance is one of the biggest expenses most working adults face, right up there with your mortgage and groceries and daycare. And yet so many of us just guess when it comes to choosing a plan. We don't fully understand what we're paying for. We check a box during open enrollment hoping it works out, but that lack of understanding, it's costing people thousands, and it's creating financial stress that we could avoid. That's why we're breaking it all down today. Insurance basics. Let's make sure we're on the same page with some important terms. Premium. This is what you pay every month just to have insurance. Deductible. What you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in. Out of pocket max. The most you'll have to pay in 1 year, no matter what. Copay and coinsurance. These are your costs for visits or procedures after you've met your deductible. Knowing how these pieces work together is the first step towards saving big on health insurance. Employer-sponsored versus marketplace. If you're a full-time employee, you likely have access to an employer-sponsored plan, often at a discounted premium, but discounted doesn't mean it's the best fit. Some people pick the most expensive plan thinking it's the safest. Others choose a high deductible plan but don't have the savings to cover that risk. On the marketplace side, if you're self-employed or in transition, you may qualify for subsidies that reduce your costs. Both options can work really well, but you've got to take the time to compare and understand your needs. Here are some common mistakes. There are 3 big mistakes that I see when it comes to health insurance. Number 1, overinsuring. Paying for a Cadillac, and if you know me, you know I like a Cadillac plan, when the basic plan and a strong emergency fund would save you thousands. Number 2, ignoring the power of an HSA, a health savings account. These are triple tax advantaged and can be a serious wealth building tool. Number 3, assuming last year's plan is still the best. Things change, your health, your needs, your costs. It's worth reviewing each year. These little mistakes, they add up to big dollars lost. Let me tell you about Jason, a real client of mine. Jason was on the most expensive PPO his employer offered. After reviewing the numbers, we switched him to a high deductible plan and set up an HSA. His premiums dropped by $400 per month. His employer added $1,200 to his HSA. That one switch saved Jason's family over $3,200 per year. That's money that now goes towards debt, vacations, or investing. It wasn't magic. It was just a better decision with the right support. Why you need health insurance. I know some of you might be thinking, I'm healthy, I don't need insurance. Here's the truth. Health insurance is not for routine visits. It's for disasters. The things you don't plan for. A car accident, a surprise surgery, a cancer diagnosis. Without insurance, those events could cost you your home, your savings, your financial future. That's why everyone needs a solid plan, even if you never use it. If this video helped you see insurance in a new way, here's what to do next. Download my free guide How to choose the right employer-sponsored health insurance plan. It'll walk you through every step. And if you want hands-on help, schedule a session with me. We'll look at your specific plan, your numbers, and build a strategy you feel confident in. Don't overpay another year. Don't stay stuck in confusion. Take control of your money, starting with your health insurance. I'm Angela Smith, and I'm here to help you transform your finances, one smart decision at a time. See you soon.